Hey, I'm sitting here thinking, man. Delaware don't owe me nothing.
At Lowe's. It's the first time checking in the RV spot. We parked in spot number 5. They're saying to go check in at the kiosk. Which the kiosk is right here.
See?
It's gone too far. Where is it?
Call box.
So ain't no kiosk? That's RV hookup.
Let's let him go in.
Oh, so from the phone now. Want to check me in? That's the breakdown of the charges, right? Nice, look like number 5. Those are directions I was following right there. You get the bean water, but only in Jacksonville. Drop it like it's shot. Here.
Ooh.
Welcome to Georgia. Did it again this time. It's over there. We walk across the street to get it. We walk across the street to get it. Walk across the street to get it.
Hey, I got the egg sunny side up with cheese on it. That lady in there. That lady in there say, ooh, I'm gonna have to try it like that. Oh, they did your eggs wrong.
No.
1, 2, 3. Be careful. The Lord will come to you today as I'm letting you know how. Asking you for forgiveness for anything that we may have committed. Our bodies. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all like I told y'all before. I don't know what y'all doing, but right now it's about to go down.
And we rolling. We rolling. South Carolina.
Check where we at.
Delaware Seashore State
Y'all
Park
see?
South.
Look at that campsite, and we about to unload these groceries. What it smell like? Skunk? Pre-range skunk is what's for dinner tonight, y'all. Stay tuned.
They say black people don't catch.
Oh, they got those pin poles you like.
South of us,
Stripers, same thing.
we're getting some, but we haven't heard of any up here yet.
What about the red drum or sheephead?
Red drum's way off from getting to, and sheep's head the same. The water's too cold for that.
Inlet, bait and tackle.
Oh, when you come out to another state, make sure you got your fishing license. Make sure you got that. So we had to get our fishing license for the state of Delaware. Then on top of that, we got some of these good old frozen sand food. We got all these different kind of bait that puts us in the game for something. Hey man, let me show y'all something, man, because y'all think it's a game. You know what I'm saying? We real deal. Be out here with it. What that say? What that say? I know you see what that say. That say bakers outside. You feel me? We outside. That's what we do. Y'all see Big Boy? Y'all see Big Boy and Hot Mama? Yeah, Big Boy, Hot Mama. Y'all see it? That's the combo. Hey, Big Boy. Come here, Big Boy.
Let's show him he can run. Tell him I'm big, but I can run. Come on.
Watch Big Boy. Get up, Big Boy. Get up, Big Boy. Y'all ain't never see a big boy get on the roof. Get on the roof. Get on the roof. Go, Big Boy. Get on the roof. Yeah, Big Boy. Look at Big Boy. Look at Big Boy. Look at Big Boy. Big Boy, get on the roof. Get on the roof, Big Boy.
All right, take it back. So we're staying right there. And we are fishing right here. We fishing right here. You understand? But we camping right there. Hey. Boom. Boom.
Hey.
This is black people
So
don't catch.
when I catch this big monster of a fish, guess what? We ain't taking him nowhere but to about 15 yards that way. And I'm finna lick. We finna eat good in the neighborhood. Hey, he should be alive. He was alive a couple seconds ago. Oh, this is a female.
Ew.
You ain't gonna say that when a fish bite.
I'm gonna say, ew.
Fish on. Just like that, what you want.
Jig, 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 jig.
You just, where that towel at? Don't worry about me, just get like me.
Wow. Oh, no.
Hey, I'm sitting here thinking, man. Delaware don't owe me nothing. Telling y'all earlier, the food hadn't came. You know what I'm saying? But Bay hadn't went away for a minute. But just that burger. Like I say, I was gonna tell y'all where we got it from, but again, we not sponsored. But look at that. Look at that cheese. Them pickles. Yes, Lord. That sesame bun. My Lord. Hey, look at that there. If y'all want to know where this come from, look at that.
Hence,
They gonna have to sponsor us.
I got the little cheeseburger. All right, I just want to thank you guys if you've stuck around this long for the rest of the video. What we're doing here is we're basically finishing some of the finishing touches that we were not able to do, such as reupholstering the bottom half of the couch. And we had a problem with these blinds. We were trying to basically get them to go up and down smoothly, which we plan on replacing those shortly, probably with those zebra blinds that I see in the newer RVs. We really like those. So again, we want to just thank you for following the journey. Got anything to say?
Hey, again, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all be blessed.
This is black people don't catch.
Hey, fellas, you y'all a queen, you know what I'm saying? They give you these rice rub downs. Ooh, yeah. Working on the beach, you feel me? Since I couldn't work no fish, I guess I gotta do some home improvements, you know what I'm saying? Y'all thought I stayed with myself, didn't you? Hey, we're close.
Alright, y'all, so we almost got this couch redone. We just did the bottom, and we already did the pillows. Only thing that we have to do is the arms. But the only part I don't like about the arms, I kind of like the color block, two-tone looking style, being that we left some of the bench like that, and there's still a lot of brown in here. But we need to figure out how to repair this.
Real upholstery. The armrest. You know what I'm saying?
Can't teach you.
Just a little real upholstery.
He done did a little
Carry on.
upholstery and now him out of here.
Carry on.
Oh my God.
I went to school for reupholsterizing.
Can't teach him nothing.
Reupholstery, you feel me? Cut. The wind is very windy. The wind is winding. Please. Please.
My Jesus, help myself.
All for you. It was all for you.
All right, y'all. So as you can see, we have left the sunshine state of Florida and we are in Delaware. Just change the scenery, change the climate, you know, because we can.
Change the scenery. Get some new scenery. Hey, Inlet.
How did I throw you off?
I don't know.
Anyway,
I was thrown off though.
Anyway, as you can see, we're on the beach with it in Delaware. Campsites are a little bit more expensive here, but it was worth it. We were on the water. We love being on the water, as you know, and we're just vibing. You know, we had little campsite parties and things of that nature. As you can see, we ordered DoorDash. You know, we're not the regular campers. You know, we get in where we fit in, and we include our regular activities with camping, and that's what makes it fun for us.
And we make the best out of life. So if you made it this far in this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. We love y'all.
Bro, wait, Robbie, tell him what's going on. Tell him what's going on, Robbie.
We just found this abandoned net in the water, and we just reeled it in, and we just freaking got a fish.
Oh, right, it's right here.
Alright, there we go.
Oh, it's right here.
Pretty heavy. They're getting the fishing pole.
Oh, first attempt, nothing.
They got sticks and oh my gosh.
Don't mind us. We just tossed it.
Different places.
Run away hat.
Yeah, this hat's gonna go back to that.
Nope, put it on. Nope, put it
I
on.
done found two of them, and then I just had to bust open two of them.
Yeah, if you go from the back, pull them up, it'll be tight.
I don't know what she had.
You go back.
Please.
She said no thank you.
Yeah.
I thought we throw Diane and they could get over.
What you do?
She damn bust up the name. Well, we was highly distracted and
Yeah, finish that.
things. Before you killed the clowns, we found another clown.
Yo.
We found another clown.
Them things go for about how much a bushel?
Oh man, a lot, real. Hey, but it's even better when you get them yourself, when you get them out the mud, literally.
I get them out the mud.
Hey, 7 days a week.
Literally.
Literally.
I'm just enjoying this cup, these views, and this television. Carry on.
And we're supposed to be leaving today. We've been at this site particularly for 14 days, which is the max at State Park. She's literally been picking up, look, she ain't picked up nothing just now. She's been picking up nothing. Sticks, rocks. Look, they ain't put nothing in the bucket just now, nothing. Keep going. We've been at 302. This is 302. We've been at 354 and 345. The best spot out here is, I don't know if I should tell y'all, because then if we try to come back, it's not gonna be available. I don't know. I'm gonna tell y'all. The best spot was 354. 354. Come on. Come on, girl. Your back is basically facing everyone else, and you have clear view of the water, the nice $1 million homes back there. Yeah. Oh, what do you know?
Huh?
Where's honey?
Hey, you know I'm Captain Dad around here. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do my thug this every time I do it. You feel me? This is what we do.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All right, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. We went to Delaware, did a little fishing, got our fishing license. Next stop is Pennsylvania. And if you made it this far, please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our journey.
This is Black Hero Cat.